Natalia's Toy Reviews. Yay! Today I'm going to be doing my Beanie Boo collection, and I'm also going to be doing some slime, and that's it. I'm just going to be reviewing my Beanie Boos. I don't have much, and some of my slime. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to start with the Beanie Boos. First, I have, let's see who she is, Sophie the cat. It says, meow is what I mostly say, in the yard is where I play. Birthday is January 13th. Her birthday already passed, it's January 29th. She's so cute. She's a kitty. Okay, next one is Medium Owl. I think we're gonna have to do this. This is the Medium Owl. So cute. I forgot its name actually. Next one. Then we have a rainbow cheetah with pink glittery eyes and some pink. She's rainbow spots and stuff. Next one. Next we have buckwheat. Birthday September 14th, and it's a Halloween cat. Next one. Then we have Ellie the elephant. Glittery pink eyes, and she's like it's like a Valentine's Day special from last year actually. Then I have this Nemo fish. I call it Nemo, but I actually don't know what its name is. It's in rainbow scales. Next one. Then I have this slime. This is the fake. Look at how soft its hair is. This is a Valentine's Day special too. This is its body. Next one. This is the next one. It's a large one. Its name is Slush. The birthday is, let's see, April 30th. Next, I'm going to be reviewing my slime. At first, I have this bow slime with white beads inside. Next, I have some Dippin' Dot slime. It's a butter slime with some Dippin' Dots colors inside, blue and pink beads. Okay. It's a super good slime and I love it so much. Next, I have this green heart container slime. I'm gonna show you. On one of my videos, I showed you how to make regular slime with my friend Kayla. Not great, but I made it a while ago. That's why it's not so great, but that's my slime. Next, I have this pink. It was made to be white slime, but all the pink beads I put in it made it pink. It breaks a little bit. Okay, next one. Next, I have this jelly black slime. Looks kind of weird, but that's it. Next, I have some red scented buttercream that smells like strawberries or cherry. I really like this slime because it smells so good and it's super stretchy. When you know, Anna. Okay guys, I have this huge, it's not a nice color slime, but I like this slime actually because of its greatness. this slime a lot. Next slime. So this one I actually made on a video. I showed you how to make this. It was Valentine's Day cloud slime. And it turned out to be super good. And if you guys didn't understand when I showed the container with little white things in it, that's the fake snow you needed to add to your Valentine's Day cloud slime. I'm sorry that the lighting was horrible. Oh, what did I find in here? Whoa. Little thing. I don't know how that got in there. Okay, anyway. Let's ignore that. It's a cloud slime. Honestly, I think it's a pretty good cloud slime. Slime got stuck to the camera. Okay. That's the Valentine's. If you want to go check it out, you can go check out my video, how to make Valentine's cloud slime. So yeah, next slime. Okay, next I have this, a butter slime. Cool slime, I like it a lot. I put like cake. I named it Fruit Loop slime. Comment down below if you think it looks like Fruit Loops. Next slime. Next I have this really cool clear slime. It's clear and it has little clear pearls inside. I like it a lot. You probably guys are like, what's the point of putting little clear pearls if you have clear slime? It looks pretty when you stretch it. I don't know if you guys can say that, but I don't know if you guys would do that, but I like that idea. So yeah. Next slime, which is the last slime. So then I have this blue cloud slime that I made for me. Let's open it up. It has little sparkles inside. That's my slime. But you can't blame me for trying, you know. Sorry guys. Okay. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Shout out to Sugar Bunny Hops as always. And bye, have a great night. I made this at night. Well, have a great day, night, whenever you're watching this. Have a great time. Bye.